here that I've had a lot of times and I really enjoy making it now. We're going to make an avocado salsa, or you want to call it avocado crema. I don't care what you call it, because it's good. And we're going to use it on some avocado toast as a little drizzle along with crema. But it's a great dip. It's a great thing to put on your tacos. So let's just get right to it. Take some nice ripe avocados. And by the way, these are beautiful. We put 2 avocados in there. Listen, if you don't like avocados, I can't help you. I grew up in California. It's what we ate. Let's see if we can get 2 in here. It might be difficult. Let's settle for 1.5 right now. These are pretty big. A little squirt of garlic. The juice of a key lime. Because we like the lime, it kind of picks up everything. Speaking of lime, now I'm not measuring, it's going to be about a teaspoon, but I'm just giving it a good coat around the top. You can see it's pretty even in there. And when we come in here, and we can adjust these to go. Here's a tablespoon of crema. Now, what the hallelujah lime brings is some heat and some citrus, some salt, pepper, and garlic. So even though we added garlic, because there's really no such thing as too much garlic, so a heaping tablespoon of mayonnaise. Let's see how this goes here. We're going to puree this till we get an inch of its life. More cowbell. More, just get some little more salt in there and maybe a little more heat. You can actually put real diced jalapeno in if you want. It's good. You can keep it in the refrigerator for probably 4 or 5 days. Like I said, great on tacos, great as a dip. Okay. But here we go. Avocado salsa, avocado crema, avocado delicious, I call it, AD.